Streetlights blur into my eyes like memories I can't rewind. Your name hums in every sound and every rail against the ground. I thought distance would feel safe, but silence only makes it ache. Every mile I drift away from who I was from yesterday. No destination feels like home when you're learning to be alone. I don't cry, I don't fight, I just sit with it tonight. On the last train home tonight, city breathing soft and tired. If I'm lost, at least I know I'm not running anymore. On the last train through the dark, every beat hits slow and hard. If this pain is what I keep, I'll let it ride, I'll let it be. Maybe love was just a stop, we were never meant to stop. If we missed it, that's okay. Trains don't wait, they fade away. On the last train home tonight, I forgive the past inside. Every tear I didn't show, finally let's go. On the last train home tonight, every breath breaks the side. Every tear I didn't show, finally let's go. On the last train almost done, I'm still here, I'm still moving on. Even lonely has a sound when the city's slowing down. I don't shine like I used to, some nights I fall apart. I was silenced like armor to hide a fragile heart. City moves without asking, I'm moving my own speed. If I'm breaking, let me, I'm just trying to breathe. I don't be perfect, I don't need to be strong. If I feel it, I feel it, nothing here is wrong. I can be lonely tonight, I can cry if I need. I don't have to explain, as long as I'm me. I can fall, I can stay, let my feelings be free. If the world doesn't get it, as long as I'm me. I've been quiet in the crowd, smiling when I'm not okay. Every tear didn't show, found its way. I don't chase what I lost, I don't fake what I feel. Some hearts heal by breaking, that's real. I won't rush the healing, I won't hide the truth. Every scar is teaching how to be me too. I can be lonely tonight, I can cry if I need. I know the more reason, as long as I'm me. I can hurt, I can rest, let the night cover me. If I'm soft, if I'm weak, as long as I'm me. Maybe peace is letting go of who I'm supposed to be. If loving myself is hard, I'll start gently. Em cô đơn cũng được, em khóc cũng được, miễn em là em. Em cô đơn cũng được, em khóc cũng được, miễn em là em. I can be lonely tonight. I can be lonely tonight. just me. Nine lines on the window glass, midnight roads, I'm moving fast. No regrets, no heavy mind, just the rhythm in the skyline. Coffee cold, screen still bright, dreams still burning in the night. Quiet room, but I feel alive, heartbeat dancing with the drive. No noise in my head tonight, just a calm, clean state of mind. I don't need the daylight glow, I was born for this nighttime flow. City lights don't sleep tonight, we don't fade, we don't hide. Midnight souls in a silent ride, we stay calm, we stay high. For the ones who live at night, for the ones who chase their light. Not alone, just different lives, different time, different sky. Different time, different sky. Different time, different sky. Street signs glow like a guide, every turn feels right tonight. No rush, no fear inside, just the road and the vibe. Lonely, no, I'm just free, me, the music and the city. Different world, different zone, but I feel more real alone. Slow ride, bright lights, midnight, dull vibes. No fear, no lies, we alive, we alive, we alive. I don't need a crowded room, I don't need the afternoon. Give me stars and neon blue, give me nights I can move through. Different time, different City lights don't sleep tonight, we don't fade, we don't hide. Midnight souls in a silent ride, we stay calm, we stay high. For the ones who live at night, for the ones who build their life. Different time, different mind, same dream on a different sky. City lights below my feet, neon rivers in the streets. I'm not lost, I'm just above, floating in the world of love. No noise in my head tonight, only stars and silent skies. Gravity don't pull me down, I'm not here, I'm spacebound. No pressure, no control, I'm drifting in my soul. No chaos, no race, just a calm internal space. Astronaut mind, I'm floating free above the noise, above the streets. Outer space inside my head, calm thoughts where I rest instead. Astronaut mind, silent zone, lost in space but not alone. City loud but I'm aligned, peaceful in my astronaut mind. My astronaut mind. Windows glow in midnight blue, the world is fast, I'm moving slow. I don't need the ground tonight, I'm breathing in the city light. Heartbeat slow like satellite, orbiting the quiet night. Different world, different view, but everything feels true. No gravity, slow motion, deep space, calm motion. Float high, clear mind, astronaut, astronaut mind. I don't need to run away, I don't need a different place. I found space inside my chest, a silent world where I can rest. Come and go. I'll stay here in silent light, astronaut mind, endless night. Your smile changed the game. I didn't feel this deep before, didn't open every door. I was finding quiet nights till you walked into my life. Now my heart don't act the same, every beat says your name. I don't know when it began, but you're the reason that I am this fragile, this alive, this breaking every time. My feelings all because of you. Every high and every blue. If I'm strong or if I'm weak, it's you and me. My feelings all because of you. Every dream I almost lose. If I fall or if I rise, it's your eyes. I didn't plan to let you in, didn't know where we would end. Now your silence hurts the more than words you never wrote. I replay the small signs, every look, every line. You don't know what you've done, you became my sun. I try to blame the night, try to blame the time, but the truth I can't deny, it's you fade into echoes. Every face passes by. This city is full of people, still I'm here asking why. I don't cry, I just breathe, let the silence say it all. If love is a delayed train, then I miss the call. And the next station has no you, just me and the midnight blue. I'm lonely and that's okay, I'll survive it anyway. The train moves on, so do I. No more reasons to ask why. I let go, I let it end. At the next station, I'm alone again. I learned how to wait in silence with a song in my ear. All the promises we never kept disappear right here. Old tickets in my pocket from a ride we never took. Some stories don't need endings, just a final look. I don't blame, I don't beg, I just rest my tired heart. If memories are old tickets, I won't bring them to the start. The next station has no you, only lights and empty views. I can cry, I can break, still I'll be myself today. The train keeps pulling away from the words we couldn't say. I don't chase, I don't pretend. At the next station, I let it end. Maybe love was just a ride that was never meant to stay. Two strangers sharing silence, then drifting separate ways. And the next station feels so calm, even